everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for solar panel business. So if you're also running a solar panel business, then this video is definitely for you. So as a solar panel business provider, I receive a lot of queries from my customer regarding the supply, maintenance and installation of solar panel. So I am going to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot that will answer my customer queries and provide details to them on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it. So firstly, in this video I am going to build an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot using AI agent. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I will guide you how to build an AI agent designed specifically for solar panel business. So this chatbot is going to guide users, provide them details automatically by the knowledge base I have provided to it, and guide my users in my absence. So here you can see I have built an AI agent for my business, and now I am going to show you the proper working of my AI agents. So for that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Let's say my user has entered this message, that is, hey, I need help. Then my AI agent has responded to this message. So here you can see I am going to enter a question asking for the procedure of installing the solar panel from my AI agent. So here you can see as I have entered this question asking for the procedure of installing, my AI is responding to me with the details, that is for the pre-installation and the installation process of the solar panel. And here you can see we have got this message. Now let's ask another question from our AI agent and see whether it's responding or not. Here I am going to enter a question asking for the cost of the installation of the solar panel. Here as I'm providing the question asking for the cost of the solar panel, I am getting a message which is providing me the cost details of the solar panel installation. Now let's ask another question from our AI agent and see whether it's responding or not. Here I am entering this question, that is, please provide me the products required. Now here you can see our AI agent is responding with a message which consists of the products required for solar installation. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot powered by AI agent which is responding to my customer based on the data which I have provided to it, and I have provided the data in the form of a knowledge base in this document. And here you can see this is the knowledge base I have created regarding my business, and this contains all the details of my business, that is the solar panel business. Now for creating an AI agent, we just have to access Pabbly Chatflow. For that, you just have to type its URL over the tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly. And here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. And once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page. And here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. As we are going to provide an AI agent, so we have to just access Pabbly Chatflow. For that, you can see we are getting the option for access now. So just click on it and you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly. And here you can see this is the dashboard page of Pabbly. And here you can see I have added two WhatsApp number to my account. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number over here. And here you are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can just click on WhatsApp Connect. But if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. And here on the sidebar, you can see we are getting many features provided by Pabbly, that is inbox, contact, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows. So flows are the most important one here. We use flows for creating our chatbot. Now further we are getting the AI assistant which we are going to create, and further we are getting activity log, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. And as we are going to create an AI assistant, we will just click on AI assistant over here. And here you can see as I have clicked on AI assistant, I have got this AI assistant page. And here you can see these are the AI assistant I have created. And here you can see the total number of AI assistant, the active and inactive number of AI assistant. Now I am going to tell you how you can create your own AI assistant from scratch. For that, you can see we are getting the add AI assistant button. So just click here and it will ask you to enter the AI assistant name. So now let's provide the name to our AI assistant over here. Here I am providing the name to my AI assistant based on my business name, that is Sun Edge Solar. Now let's just click on add AI assistant and let's create our own AI assistant over here. And here you can see my AI assistant somewhat look like this. And here on this AI instruction, it is asking me to select the instruction type. So I am going to select the instruction type as AI agent. You can also select select the custom prompt over here and get the custom prompt. But I am going to select AI agent as I am going to create an AI agent for my solar panel business. Now you can also select other agents like customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding experts, life coach. Now here I have selected the AI agent over here, and as I have selected the instruction type, I have got some of the instructions over here. Now you can also create your own instructions over here. Now further we are getting the AI configuration, and in this AI configuration you can see it is asking me to select the temperatures. So temperature basically tells you about the creativity of the AI sensor, and here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So if you move towards 0, AI will answer in more focused way, and if you move towards 1, AI will be more creative. So I am going to keep the temperature as the same, that is 0.5. Now further it is asking me to select the AI to use, so I am going to select the open AI over here, and model I am going to select as GPT-4o mini, and here we have selected the AI and the model of the AI, and further it's asking me to provide the API tokens. So for getting the API token, you can see in this help text it is saying that kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So for getting the API token, you just have to go to OpenAI API's key page, and here you can see we are getting the option for create new secret key. So just click over here and provide the name and the project to your secret key and create your own secret key. And now as I have already an API token, I will just paste it over here. Here I have provided my API token. Now I am going to simply just click on connect button, and as I have clicked on connect button, I have received this pop-up that is OpenAI key saved successfully. Now further we are getting some of the AI assistant settings. So here you can see we are getting the option for entering header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempt, and fallback message. So if you want to provide the header or the footer message, you can just enable it and provide your header and footer message, but I am going to keep it the same, that is I am going to keep it as disable over here. Now you can also provide stop keywords by just enabling it, and here you can provide your stop keywords. Now you can also provide the retry attempt over here. So retry attempt is basically the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the range of retry attempt is from 1 to 10, and I am going to disable all these settings except fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly, and here we are already receiving a fallback message, so I am going to keep it as the same. Now let's move on to our knowledge source over here and provide knowledge base of our business to our AI agent. Now here it is asking me to choose a file or drag it here, so I am going to choose a file for that. And here you have to remember one point, that document will be accepted only in the .txt format. For that you just have to go to your document, and here you can see we are getting the option for file, so just select it. So in the download section you just have to click on the plain text.txt and your .txt file format will be downloaded. And here in this download section you can see I am having a document name about Sun Edge Solar, so I am going to just select it over here. And here you can see as I have uploaded the file, I am getting a pop-up that is file uploaded and processed successfully. Now here you can see I have got the name and the vector ID as I have provided the knowledge source to my AI agent. Now moving on further, we are going to configure the assistant interface, and here it is asking me to enter the header display, so I am going to enter my brand name as the header display or the heading name. Here you can see I have provided the name of my business brand in this heading name, and you can also see the preview of this chatbot. So here we are getting the Sun Edge Solar as the heading name over this chatbot. Now further it is asking me to enter the subheading name, so we are getting a subheading name that is we are online and happy to assist you. So here in the header section you can see we are getting this subheading that is we are online and happy to assist you. So here you can see it is asking me to enter the initial message. We are getting one initial message that is hi there, how can I help you today. Now you can also provide your own initial message over here, so I am going to enter one more initial message that is hello. And here you can see in the preview of this chatbot our initial message has appeared, but I am going to keep only one initial message, so I am going to just remove it from here. So here you can see only one initial message is remaining. Now further we are getting the option for display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to display the Pabbly label you can just enable it, but if you don't want to display it you can just disable it. And here on the preview of this chatbot you can see the label of the Pabbly has been disappeared, but I am going to just keep it as enable, and here you can see we have got the label of the Pabbly. Now further it is asking me to select the footer text, so here the footer text is already written as privacy policy, so if you want to provide the footer text you can provide it over here. And here you can see we are getting the footer text that is privacy policy over here. Now further we are getting the option for entering the footer link, so if you want to provide the footer link you can provide it over here. Now further it is asking me to enter the user's first message. So user's first message is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from user. So here it is written as I need help, but I am going to convert it as hey I need help. Here you can see I have entered this user's first message that is hey I need help. Now let's move on further and provide styling to our chatbot. And here on the styling section you can see it is asking me to select the theme mode. So if you want to keep the theme mode of your chatbot as light, you can select light over here. But if you want to change it as dark, you can just select dark over here. And here on the preview of this chatbot, you can see the theme mode has been changed to dark. Now I am going to just keep it as light over here. Now further, we are getting the option for assistant shape. So if you want to provide a shape to your assistant, you can just select it and provide shape to your assistant over here. So if you want to change the coloring of your AI agent, you can also do it. Now further, we are getting the option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture. So if you want to add any of these kind of profile, you can provide it over here in the styling section. Now I am going to just keep it as enabled to make my AI assistant active. Now I am going to just click over save AI assistant over here, and as I have clicked on save AI assistant, I have got this pop-up that is AI assistant saved successfully. Now if you want to add AI assistant over your business, you can just click on embed over here and you will get the script code, and you just have to paste the script code over your business and the AI assistant will be embedded to your business. So here you can see we have successfully created our AI agent. So now let's move on to our WhatsApp and check whether our AI assistant is responding on the basis of the knowledge base we have provided to it or not. Now I am going to enter my user's first message which we have provided to my AI agent, that is, hey, I need help. And here you can see as I have provided the user's first message, then I am getting reply from my AI agent, that is, I am here to help you. Please let me know what you need assistance with. I will do my best to support you. Now I am going to ask another question regarding the business and check whether our AI assistant is responding on the basis of the knowledge base which we have provided to it. And here as I provided the question asking for the product required for installation, I have got this message from my AI agent. So let's check whether this is the data which we have provided to our knowledge base or not. So here you can see my AI agent is fetching the data from this knowledge base and providing the answer to my customer. So here you can see we have successfully created our AI agent. So you can also create your own AI agent and enhance your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots and more AI agents like this. Thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.